making little journals, mini journals, paper packs, something to help you just keep paper handy. So many uses. And all you gotta do is cut the wallpaper. Always remember to measure twice. Draw your line and cut once. Try and hold on to it. Those rolls are tricky. So many uses for these that you might not think about. Throw them in your purse. A little bit of paper in it for whatever you might need it for. Keep a child busy writing, a quick grocery list or a note, a phone number, a date, the birthday party that your child just told you about that's tomorrow, or that they need cookies, or a bake sale Saturday. Maybe a practice they forgot to tell you about. These would have been so handy for a landline. Or maybe take some to the nursing home for the residents there. They could use them for people to write on when they come to visit, for them to draw or doodle. Write down books that they've read. Make them special. Take the nursery wallpaper and make one, and then take it to the baby shower. They could write down the gifts that they got and who gave it to them. They could also use them at a wedding shower for the same thing. Find one that's pretty lacy and pretty, fancy. I think the one I'm folding here would be neat in the sewing room. By the sewing machine. Write down a new pattern, maybe sizes of grandchildren. Or use it so that you could quickly grab it to take it with you. Or tape in a piece of fabric with the name of the color of thread that you're needing. So many uses for things that are just there. You can use vintage wallpaper like I'm using here. You can use wallpaper from a thrift store, a sample wallpaper that maybe you can pick up at a wallpaper place. Maybe you've got a friend who just wallpapered a room. Maybe a neighbor or family member did. And they don't need it anymore. Maybe you know about someone that hangs wallpaper. Always has extra supplies of them. But these would be so nice to use for a thank you. For a coworker who helped you out at work. Maybe your boss who let you leave early for a family emergency. Maybe a teacher who helped your student with that recorder that kept squeaking at home. Or maybe they helped your high school student with algebra or chemistry. Maybe for a parent who was kind to help pick up your student, your child, when you were running late, or took him to a practice. Maybe leave him for a waitress. It was just extra nice. Take him to a home when you're taking a meal, so that they can write down others who brought meals. Maybe they're sick or a funeral. And help them remember who to send the thank you to. There are so many ways to use these, as many ways as there are people. College student might need it because she found a tutor and needs her phone number to help her with economics or help him with chemistry. Maybe you just have somebody who delivers things from the grocery store. Put a little bag in it with some chocolates and write a little note in it that says thank you. Maybe there's a neighbor that runs and picks up stuff for you when they go to the grocery store. Put a couple of cookies with it and thank your mailman for all those packages he delivers from Amazon. Maybe put some bottled water in it for your rural carrier. You might appreciate that on a hot day, or maybe hot chocolate in there. Maybe you've got a neighbor that's just lonely. Drop one by with a piece of cake or a piece of pie, or maybe some leftovers from the soup you made, just to cheer them up. In this world of so much unkindness, meanness, division, uncertainty, it's nice to have something that you can give to let somebody know just how appreciative you are of them. To let them know they're special. You noticed. You saw them where they were. And you want to let them know how appreciative you are. They're in your life. And maybe you just want them to know, hey, I know you're here. Or you just want to be a little bit more organized. However you want to do it, you have a purpose.